Eh.
Hello
I'm on
guys, this
now.
is another episode of warthunder. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We're playing some warthunder in top tier, and I'm not in top tier vehicles because I don't have top tier. So this will be very interesting, I hope. If I actually get a kill, I will be very surprised. I am also playing with two autistic people.
Says the
What do
autist.
you mean?
No,
I'm
no,
not
no, I am one, and Britain is the other one. You are totally, totally a normal piece of money, of people. Yes,
Of
piece
money.
of people. A piece of money, yeah.
I
So,
had said
guys,
mainly stop.
this boy here, Stinger, is a total normal piece of human. This guy is a Croatian soap, nothing more.
Soap noises.
Yeah, soap noises indeed. Anyway,
And relax, the enemy ain't that close to victory.
no, 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 no. I actually could have gotten a kill right there, but I failed miserably. There are two of these guys? Hell no.
Miso.
Miso.
The missile guidance system.
Missile knows where it is. 'Cause it knows where it isn't.
Guys,
The
oh yeah,
missile
the missile
knows
knows
where it
where it
isn't.
is, but not
Knows
where
where
it
it is.
isn't. So yeah.
It knows where it isn't.
It
By
subtracts where it is
subtracting
by
where
where
it
it
is
isn't.
from where it isn't.
Also, guys, now I'm in the Jagdpanzer. It's an amazing vehicle of the German country during the Secondo, the Uno, on the Dos century. No, Dos World War. How do you say World War in Spanish?
I don't know.
Good. Well, I saw one of my dear Tamemates get. Oh yeah, I got enlightenment as well, and I'm fully dead. Well, guys, that's bloody nice. How are you doing? How are you two baboons doing? I am alive! I am alive!
Well, I'm dead, so that's something.
My game crashed, and I'm sitting in the hangar.
You and
Wait,
me both.
so both were dead?
Hmm?
I lasted the
My
longest.
gameplay crashed. I didn't even get into the match.
That's bloody lovely. Guys, if I actually get a kill right now in the Sturm, I'm gonna be the happiest people ever.
Happiest people.
Yeah.
He's going to be the happiest people. You hear that? Can you believe it?
Yeah. I'm clapping for him, but I'm clapping on my head, so it sounds like something else.
How did I miss that just now, guys? Can you tell me? How did I actually miss that? If I did
Skeleton
not,
shoot. What? What?
Bitan, I'm majorly offended by your comment just now.
Yeah, I don't care.
Like the offense I'm receiving from that comment is just beyond what commentary normal can say.
All I did was clear my throat. Chill out.
Guys, I just killed the engine of a kill.
Skeleton shoot.
Bitan,
But
you're
I
playing with
didn't.
fire.
Yeah, a weak little tiny fire. Yes,
Yes.
I'm playing. I'm playing with like plastic fire.
Okay.
I'll be fine.
So guys, you can see I died very quickly. So now I can go back here to Hungary. Now please get us in the game fast, Bitan. I beg of you. And Stinger,
Yeah,
ready up, ready up, ready up, ready up.
You? Oh, I
Q?
Unshindu.
Oh.
Nani? Yes, you
I
do.
I may have screwed up.
What did you do?
I may have screwed up. During track I fell, hurt my wrist, and I'm not sure
Oh wait,
if
that's
it's like,
Q. Wait, Q. What's up, Q?
yeah. I like fell on my wrist, and it hurts a lot. So
I did not fall on your wrist, bro.
No, he.
what?
I didn't fall on
No.
you.
Q fell on his wrist.
Oh, so is it still falling?
What?
I was gonna get slapped. Not by me though. Actually, I'm closest. I'll probably hurt.
Oh, Britain, by the way. Uh,
Yeah.
wait, what is happening right now?
This is not
Wait.
top tier.
This is not top
Uh huh.
tier.
I know.
Why?
So watch Grand Germany. Chill out.
The whole
What?
point was it was going to be top tier.
Yeah,
You're gonna have to
Okay,
make me
I'll
bring
take
out my
that.
American lineup.
indeed.
And Q's gone.
And Q is
He's
gone.
bloody gone.
Britain,
Shite.
this changes now. It's never going to be forgotten. You're a heretic. I will list you as such in the heretic.com list.
There's not a heretic list, bro. Chill out.
You are part of the Horus heresy.
Motherfucker, you make me sound like I'm a Jehovah's Witness.
You are a Jehovah's weakness. Weakness, yeah.
Who the fuck's Jehovah and what did he witness, though? That's the
Nah,
question.
Jehovah's weakness, not weakness. He had a weakness potion in his hand before dying.
Bro, there's nothing I can do against this, man.
Against who? The Pillar Man? Do you know who the Pillar Man is?
Me.
No, it's a JoJo reference.
Ha! Blew up the M3 with me. I suicide bombed the M3. Unintentionally, of course, but I suicide bombed it regardless.
Bloody lovely. Oh no,
Oh,
that's
the
not lovely at all.
highest blue
Hey,
sky.
I'm in a video right now. Hey, I'm in the middle of a recording video. Please, would you non-respect of it? Shut up. Shut
I can
your
see what Q
peanut
means
up.
about.
What do you see meaning in?
No, I see what Q means by when the machine gun anti-air when you get up to it. Scary. Quit shooting me, Stingo.
Oh, the... I'm playing German World War II vehicles. I gotta play the part.
Nah, please, Stinger, get us to top tier again. I wanna play top tier.
I know.
Top tier is so fun. Not when you're
No, it's
actually in a
not.
top tier vehicle, but when you're in a World War II vehicle playing top tier. That's the fun part. Guys, all of you, which is probably 50 million people in the comments, just
Cap.
comment down below. Have you ever witnessed a World War tank fight something that's not a World War II tank?
Comment down below if you've witnessed a public execution.
Yeah,
Comment down below if
essentially,
you've
are
been
you French?
if you witnessed Jehovah.
Ain't no way, bro. That's not a particularly appropriate question for today's video.
What does the decal he have in his tank then?
Uh, uh, yes.
He's not dead, is he? Oh, he is.
Who is dead?
There's a Dumbo on the side.
There is a tempo
No
on the
more.
side. So, guys, I am hoping that you are enjoying in the videoing.
Someone's called Start Cries. Stop Cry, Start Die. What the hell?
There's a bean can 1C. Mm, 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 mm.
No, bro, just practically humming Erica.
What do you mean?
Guys, as you can see, we are in front of water. And I'm in front of my death, I think.
That machine gun scares the life from me.
I might be dodging, yeah, no, dying soon. English is still not good, by the way.
Yeah, you need to get free subscriptions to English, bro. It's not doesn't cost a lot.
Yeah, boys, English.
Can you hear that, buddy?
Guys, if you don't
Guys, my
subscribe to the
plane doesn't
channel,
feel so good.
you will most likely not receive English channel.
Now, can
To your
anyone else hear
television.
that machine gun?
No, it's the M163. It's got like a Vulcan on the mounted to
Yeah,
a
I
tank.
know it's scary though.
Well,
Mhm.
guys, I have bloody died. Are you both of
Oh,
you goobers dead? No, you're not. Please,
I still have.
could you make the process of dying faster for yourself? Guys, as you can see, this little fella is having the hopes of eating me alive.
No, he isn't.
He's in the little Ostwind 2. And the Ostwind 2 is a bloody lovely piece of German machinery. Okay, the
Rip.
Ostwind died.
Does he have another respawn? That's the question.
No, I do not.
Ah,
So back to Hungary it is then.
Da.
Da!
Horat.
He said a Bulgarian word. Wait, Singer, where are you from actually? America, right?
America.
I just remembered. Damn.
America, yeah.
America.
oh,
America,
for fuck's
yeah.
sake. We all thought the same thing, bro. What the fuck? Fun,
Wait,
fun.
how does Tigger know of that?
He probably, bro. Why wouldn't you know of that, bro? It's like it was a popular meme at some point.
Mhm.
America, yeah.
Do you know it just because it was a meme?
America, yeah.
It was an anime. I do know that.
Yeah. I should probably watch it.
Wait, do you
I've
watch
heard
anime?
of.
Yes.
No,
I love you.
you just screwed. What? Damn, you're telling me all it took was to watch anime. God damn.
Yeah.
I mean, I've already completed that prerequisite, technically speaking. Panther D, Russia,
Да.
1943.
А? 30? Может быть, ти? Може някъде там да е. Ми добре, да кажем към 2.
Перевод.
Вариант.
Yes, перевод.
Okay, so, which animes have you watched, boy?
We're still on video, right?
Oh, yeah, we are. I guess I will stop recording. Nah, actually. One more game, boys. Okay, let's go.
Are we going to top or top two?
Top tier, top tier.
Got it.
I have the tank in my lineup.
Alright. Okay, guys, so, Singer, back to my question. Answer it.
What question?
Which animes have you watched?
Hmm. Yeah, let me think. Bochi the Rock.
Hell yeah!
It's a good one.
I know I am on episode 8. Right, huh?
It's so good.
I know.
SAO,
Hell no.
JJK,
Hell yeah.
Solo Leveling.
Hell no.
I gotta think. Those are the ones I can think of off the top of my head. I've watched a lot
Is
more.
Bocce the only slice of life anime that you have watched?
No, I've watched a few. I just can't remember them off the top of my head.
Hmm.
I like them though.
Have you watched Nishijo?
I've read Nichijou.
You have?
Yes,
How was it?
it was very good and quite funny.
Yeah, I should watch it with Mr. Beaton here as well sometime.
Not happening.
The watch is actually pretty nice. Like, I don't know about the reading, the manga itself, but the anime was amazing.
I haven't watched it,
You should.
so I'd be down to watch it.
You know, the two of us can watch it if you want. Potentially with Britain. That's on him.
Abrams, there's an Abrams here.
Have you watched,
Yeah.
by any chance, an anime called K-On?
What? What?
K-On.
I don't think so.
Right, okay. What about Azumanga Daioh?
Whoa.
That
Oh.
piece of autism. No, it is not again. Okay, well,
You know, Alex, you've probably watched like
too much.
over.
Oh,
Whoa.
that one! Yeah. Yeah, I have.
Urwa! Help, I've got a MK,
Britain,
I've got an M1
Britain,
KBC fucking
Britain,
me.
Britain doesn't know what we're talking about, but yeah, boy. He's a pure soul.
I am not a pure soul, I'm far from it.
Well, okay, then we can watch Overflow together.
I'd rather not.
Nah, we should actually. It's pretty, it's pretty nice.
No.
The plot is pretty thick.
Yeah.
Hi, how are ya? Don't you run with the oh.
Nah, like you should,
No.
you should watch this. It's a oh,
Ah!
it's an overall very amazing story.
Move! What
It's
are you
very,
doing?
it's very well written.
Don't put me in the firing line, fuckface.
Yeah.
So Britain
I'm an
was
M22.
Very wholesome story.
Britain.
Not an Abrams.
Wait, we should watch Toradora with this guy, with Stinger.
I would.
Watch what?
Toradora.
Wait, what?
It's
Say
a
again?
romance.
I mean, sure.
Do you like romance anime by the way?
Yeah. Just depends on how like.
How what?
Uh.
I love how this guy just hasn't killed me yet. I love that.
On how what, Mister?
This guy hasn't killed me yet.
No, I'm
trying
talking
to
to
think.
Stinger.
I'm bloody thinking, lad.
I don't know what he's trying to do, but I'm gonna die if I think
I'm in a Sherman.
How well it's written or what? How I don't even know what. Oh boy, it seems taking on a mother tank frontal isn't the best thing I can do with my life choices. Can someone help me repair? Oh, that's another modern tank.
Well, okay, I think the enemy team have adopted me as well. As their own. I'm gonna just ride with the enemy team and hope for the
Guys,
best.
you see, the Russian players have no mercy in their eyes, and with that shot of misery, I'm
There's
gonna
a.
conclude the video. Goodbye,
You think
guys. Have a good
Katie-
rest of your day.